Boost your sexual performance with tiger nuts. This is one of the natural secret to boost your bedroom game stamina. Do you want to know more about this? Please stay till the end of this video as I will be discussing all you need to know about this magical root vegetable and how they can improve your sexual life. Hello lovely subscribers, welcome back to our channel, Creamy Pot. Here we discuss all about unlocking the secrets to a healthier and happier you through spicing up your sexual lives. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that you might not have paid much attention to, which is the amazing benefits of tiger nuts, how it can impact your sexual performance and how to use it appropriately to get the best results. Before we get started, please help us grow this channel by clicking that subscription button. Turn on the notification bell and like, comment, and share. Thank you so much as you do so. So, what are tiger nuts? Despite its name, tiger nuts are not nuts at all. They're small root vegetables that have been consumed for centuries in various cultures. They are packed with nutrients and are a great source of fiber, iron, vitamins, and minerals. Now, let's talk about the nutritional benefits of tiger nuts. These powerhouses root vegetables are rich in magnesium, which is known to promote relaxation and blood flow, both of which are crucial for a healthy sex life. They're also loaded with healthy fats and antioxidants that can contribute to overall wellness. Interesting, right? Sexual health benefits. So, how exactly do tiger nuts relate to sexual performance? The nutrient profile of tiger nuts can indirectly impact your sex life. They are very rich in magnesium and healthy fats, which can significantly improve blood circulation, making it capable of enhancing sensitivity and arousal. Moreover, tiger nuts are rich in antioxidants, which support the body's defense against oxidative stress and affect reproductive health positively. Tiger nuts are generally safe, but like anything, moderation is key. If you have allergies or digestive issues, consult a healthcare professional before adding them to your diet. Incorporating tiger nuts. Now that we know the benefits, how then can you incorporate tiger nuts into your diet? You can enjoy this powerful creature into your diet as tiger nut juice or snack. You can also add them to smoothies or use tiger nut flour in baking. You can even eat it raw. Get creative and experiment. Try out new ways to enjoy these wonderful roots. Now, can tiger nuts really boost libido? The answer is capital yes, but while they're not a direct aphrodisiac, their nutrients can support overall sexual health by promoting better blood flow and relaxation. Remember, while tiger nuts can contribute positively to your sexual wellness, they're not a magical solution. A balanced lifestyle, regular exercise, and maintaining emotional connection with your partner are equally important. So, it's important you incorporate all these for effective results. In conclusion, we've explored the potential benefits of tiger nuts for your sexual performance. Remember, a holistic approach to well-being is essential. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more exciting insights into living your best life. Stay healthy, stay happy. Check out our playlist for other videos on how to improve and spice up your sexual performance naturally. Thank you once again for watching, and see you all in our next video.